VRChat creators can already see avatar statistics, but those numbers rarely answer the questions beginners actually have. What is wrong? Why does it matter? And what should I fix first? Avatar Platform Doctor is a Unity editor extension that closes that gap. It scans locally, converts technical observations into clear findings, and can optionally generate a prioritized manual repair plan. This SDK-free evaluator sample demonstrates the complete diagnostic flow without a VRChat account, a commercial avatar, or the avatar's SDK. The deterministic rule engine runs locally and does not require an API key or a network connection. The sample flags excessive material slots for a mobile profile. Each finding shows severity, the affected target, the observed value, an explanation, likely impact, and manual repair guidance. Instead of only showing a number, it explains why that number matters and where to begin. When the user explicitly asks for more help, the tool sends a reduced, structured finding payload to the OpenAI Responses API. GPT 5.6 returns a strict repair plan with priorities, concrete steps, validation checks, and cautions. It does not scan or modify the avatar. Asset files, images, project code, affected paths, observed values, and the API key are not included in the request. If the key is missing or the API fails, the local scan and findings remain available, so the core tool still works. Codex accelerated the SDK independent scanner, the VRChat adapter boundary, the deterministic rule engine, Unity integration, API client, structured output handling, tests, and documentation. I define the product scope, privacy boundaries, and manual-only repair policy, then verified the final behavior in Unity. This MVP focuses on one dependable workflow: scan, understand, and plan the repair. Automatic fixes, full performance rank reproduction, and platform switching are documented as post-MVP work. Avatar Platform Doctor, know what to fix before build and publish.